Do you want to know the funny thing? We all have the same amount of time in a day. We all have the exact same 24 hours, but how do you spend yours? I'm Bethany, owner of Nutritious and Delicious, where we are talking today about the abundance of time. And when you tell yourself you have lack of time, you are actually squashing your goals majorly. Like I mentioned, if you are telling yourself I have lack of time, this is the biggest thing I keep seeing with most parents, and I understand that too, being a parent myself. We have a lot more limited time because we have children and other things to take care of. It's about how you utilize that time. Think about your time as your bank account. So if you're taking away from that bank account, that's not a good thing at all. So what you want to be doing with your bank account is you want to be filling it up with things that make you happy as well. You can put yourself aside for 90% of the time. So say you're putting all of your stuff into somebody else's bank account. See how that goes. It's not going to look good. The more that you can put into your bank account, the more you can donate to other people. That is the way that it will go. If you just pick 1 hour in the day, that's all you need, just 1 hour. Just to take care of yourself mentally, taking care of yourself physically. You could meal prep, you could just sit down, relax, read a book, go for a walk. This is a necessity for absolutely everybody. I see so many people putting into other people's bank accounts all the time. I've done it myself in the past and it doesn't work because you are so depleted at the end of the day, you have nothing left for anybody else. Now, I'm talking to a lot of moms about this because moms are known to put everybody else first and put themselves last. But we want to make sure that you are happy too. So I want to ask you this one question. What makes you happy? What makes you so happy that you would enjoy for 1 hour to sit and do, to take care of your health, to read a book, to do something that you actually are stimulated by and are excited to just sit and listen to, watch, could be an inspirational video for an example. I hope this helps you guys. Leave something in the comments for me here about what you're going to do for your 1 hour in the day. Let me know. I hope you guys have a fantastic week and I'll see you soon in good health. Bye for now.